Um, so staying on theme, and this is a little bit scary,
Hmm.
Kelvin. I'm going to start off with a clip from ABC News.
From the clear skies of Adelaide, this drone is searching for possible symptoms of coronavirus. Its creators say it can detect every sneeze or cough, even invisible symptoms like fever or a faster heartbeat.
Heart rate can be measured in two different ways. From a drone, we normally would measure it by a subtle change in skin tone that's associated with each heartbeat, and it's caused by a change in the volume of blood in the skin.
Yeah, so we've known about this technology I mean, it's not the fact that it's on a drone, but any sort of modern camera can actually do this because there's slight changes in your skin tone as your heart pumps blood. Um, that there's machine learning involved here. This is gonna just imagine a world where you're out in the park and you've got drones flying overhead, perhaps 100 meters, 200 meters overhead, seeing if you have the virus or not, or other
You know
reasons.
what? This just gave every redneck in the U.S. a reason to buy more guns. I'm just saying, like, come on, people. Like, even if you could,
You mean
yeah,
extra
even
guns? You
more like
mean
a
extra
bazooka at this
guns?
point. Like, even if you
Yeah,
could, should
yeah,
you? Like, in what
yeah.
scenario would we give up so much privacy to do this? This wouldn't fly,
Well,
literally.
so in Connecticut actually, the story went on to say the police in Connecticut actually wanted to roll this out last weekend, but it got shut down by the activists,
Mm.
privacy activists. So it's a real thing. I mean, and I believe this story was from Adelaide, and technology is there. Do we let it happen? Like, at what
So,
cost? Sure, we want to be safe and be out doing stuff, but like, what is that margin of error? And like, how, like, does it have to be 100% perfect? Does it, like, can we say 99%?
so
I
let's
don't
play
know.
it out. There's a football game.
Yeah.
We deploy the drones. It picks someone who is of a high probable case of having COVID-19, and then we taser them. Like, how exactly is this meant to work? I just want to know. I just like
I think with night vision, like when it's dark, maybe like some spotlight
like
comes.
do we have we trained the monkeys
Yeah.
yet to be ninjas and do this? Like,
Uh,
you can imagine, right? Like, what if you got it wrong? Like, the litigation is just through the roof. Um,
mm,
so technology or no technology, this is just too risky. Um, I just wish we could use it maybe at airports, not drone per se, but the AI that reads, you know, heart rate, and things like that. I'm sure there's use cases for it. Flying around in the public spaces, drones can't even do that. So I don't know how they're going to get past that. That's I feel like issue number one, amongst the other 9,000
mm,
issues they have to go through.
yeah. And this is all like really data crunching, right? Masses of data, being captured um, with vision, and then in some way, like a machine learning algorithm working out whether that cough is that's a typical cough for the flu versus a cough for coronavirus. I don't know. Maybe one day they'll figure that out. That'll be part of the algorithm. That's I was